How to manage your clients. Clients can be a little overwhelming at times, especially if you're an introvert, especially if you're an artist, you don't know how to deal with them. Today, we're going to talk about 3 things that you can do to better manage your clients. Let's talk about that. The first, be honest from the get-go. Now, I say that because one of the things that I learned in doing business with a Japanese company and Japanese companies in general, and what I've learned by doing business with Japan, is honesty is key. Meaning, if I can articulate everything and put everything on the table in regards to what my expectations are, and the other party does the same thing, there aren't any questions. If we can both be honest with what we're expecting and what we're providing the other person, we both win. So set expectations in the beginning and make sure that you're honest with your client. Number 2, in regards to just not honesty, but expectations, how much does your photo shoot cost? How many images are they getting? Set all of those expectations prior to actually setting the shoot. The client should have a firm understanding of what they're receiving, not just on an honesty level, but they should have a thorough knowledge of everything that they're getting in regards to context of the shoot itself. So you want to make sure that you're providing all that documentation for them. So on top of that, just also make sure you're telling them where they can use those images. What are the usage rights? Where can they publish those? If you're a photographer that's very protective, for example, and they pay you a small amount and they're running billboard campaigns, how does that affect your business? How does that affect your revenue? You want to convey where these images can be used. So articulate that from the beginning and there aren't any issues. Which brings me to point number 3. Constant communication. How many photographers just completely forget that they need to talk to their clients? Communicate, listen, understand. Part of this whole process of working with clients is just communicating. When are those images going to be delivered? Articulate that. Have that conversation. Hey, can't wait to work with you. Another one. Or hey, it was great working with you. Just don't disappear. I know that sometimes, like most of you, are extroverted introverts. You still have to communicate with your clients. You have to let them know exactly what's going on. Think about it like this. If you were at a restaurant, how would you feel if the waitress came over once, disappeared, came back when she gave you the food, disappeared again and just gave you a receipt and never checked up on you? You wouldn't feel the same customer service that you would have otherwise if she would spend the extra time with you to discuss things, ask how your food was. All of that matters in the context of customer service, so it's infinitely important for you to remember that. So let's go ahead and go over those 3 things. Make sure you're honest. Set those expectations and make sure you communicate. 3 simple things that you can do to manage your clients better. Simple, straight and to the point. Thank you guys for watching. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.